Hi, this is Tim with Friendship RV. This is a recent trade. It's a 2022 Wildwood 260 RT. Toy hauler, non-slide, full pass-through storage on the front, solid hinged entry door, which means wherever you put the door, that's where it stays. Solid entry steps, lots of windows. Power awning with LED light strip. This is our ramp, which also doubles as a party deck. See the safety screen that goes around the full deck. I've got one of the benches folded down. There's also a table. So there's two benches, one table, both up, both down, one up, one down, doesn't matter. Storage. There's a magnetic screen that goes on the back in case you want to have the back door open. Fireplace, stereo system, refrigerator, 3-burner, cooktop with a microwave on the bottom. It's our shower area. And our front bedroom. There's our solar panel monitor, outlets and USB ports on both sides of the bed, and under bed storage system also. This is Tim with Friendship RV. Thank you.